Now you may recall a few weeks ago we planted some parsnip seeds, and I'm just going to show you the end result. Here we are. Here's our 2 pots. By comparison, there's my hand. You can see this here. It's the first set of leaves just coming through, and there's the old seed husk just attached to the end of the leaf. And there's another one down here. 2 primary leaves. They're not the natural leaves for the parsnip itself. These are just the germination leaves. And over in this pot, similarly, we've got various stages of single leaves coming up. Some still attached to the seed husk. There we go. So they're coming on nicely. I haven't had to water them at all since we planted them. That soil, if I stick my finger in, it still comes out reasonably wet. So that doesn't need watering. Over here we've got our WaWa Tsais. As you can see, this one's got little trails on the leaf, so something has been coming along for lunch, doing a little bit of munching. I can't see anything on the pot or in the pot, hiding under the leaves. It looks like slug to me, but very fine slug because it's only damaging the surface of the leaf. But there's nothing growing under the pot, so I'll just have to keep an eye on that. And similarly with this one, here, got good leaf growth, no obvious intruder, but look at this leaf damage. It's focused on one leaf, clearly having a good go. I can't see anything living under the leaf. So I'm going to leave that leaf on and see if it gets further damage. Main thing in pots like this is to look during the day if anything is dormant under the edges or under the base. Now the white that you can see is paper tissue, as I always put a paper tissue in the bottom of my pots to stop the soil coming out. But it still lets the water through. But I can't see anything growing there or living there. On the rim of the pot, we've got the usual spider webs. They won't do it any harm, but no slugs. So we'll just have to keep an eye out. See if that damage continues. If it does, then I'll come back and do a hunt. Beetroot at the moment. Still a bit flimsy, floppy. This one's gone a bit limp. Now it's not overwatered because if I lift the trays, there's no water underneath, so they're not drowning. I think it's that time of the year. Things aren't really doing much in the way of growing.